a couple of weeks ago, I did a video showing you my 2025 planner and photo album, journal, everything all wrapped in one. And a lot of people were looking for a tutorial. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. So I've done a tutorial and I also have another album to show you. I used the Voyage Beneath the Sea from Graphic 45. I had the Deluxe Collector's Edition in my stash, and this was a great opportunity to use it. So here is that mini album. I mean, it's a pretty big one. Again, I used the same style that I used to make this one, but this gave me an opportunity to do a tutorial. Right now what I'm going to do is do a walkthrough to show you everything that's in it. So this measures 9 by 6 with a 2.5-inch spine, and it's got two spines. It's got a spine on the side, and we've got a flap in the front that has magnets to keep it all closed. So this flap is 1.5 inches, and again, this is 2.5 on the side. So loved the imagery in this collection. I never got to play with it the first time it came around, and like I said, I had it in my stash, so I thought it was time to use it. On the front, I've got dimensional element here. I've got the Voyage Beneath the Sea cut-up part on a layer of the orange cardstock, and that's on a layer of cloth. It's some muslin fabric wrapped around a couple layers of chipboard. There is a fussy cut fish here and a chipboard element there. Inside, we've got just a cut apart here in the cover, and then a photo mat there. And I show you how I do this with the pattern paper going up and down and the one going across. I just loved being able to do that. I did similar when I did this. You can see it better here. So we've got the pattern paper here and then the stripe going across, and you see the stripes here. It just made it just a nice feature. So this album has 8 signatures. So each one is 2 pages. So there's front and back. So there's 4 front and back for each one. And then there's photo mats, a 4.25 by 4.25 and a 4.25 by 6.25 photo mat in each separate piece. So again, this one has 8 signatures. The calendar collection had 12. I just wasn't sure I had enough paper to do 12, but it's similar. You make the pages the same. And the tutorial will tell you all about that and how I decorated the pages. I mean, I don't do every single one, but I show you how I cut the paper. We do have some of the chipboard elements with a little ribbon and some fun fur on each one. So here you see there's the photo mats. So you can get 2 4x4 on the photo mats for each one, plus 2 4x6, plus room here. There's a smaller size photo mat there, and then there is either a pocket or a tuck spot on the back of each of the signatures. So there's that. There's the 4x6, the 4.25 by 6, and 4.25 by 4.25. Just an element here that's open on the top, so you can add a photo there. And again, room here. In the pockets, I do have some of these pieces. They were stickers, and I put them on some black cardstock and added some ribbon on the top. You could add something else in the pocket, some journaling, small photos, memorabilia, whatever you want to do. So there we go with that. A larger photo mat there. So this is where if I had the patterns in solids, I would have used that, but I didn't. But if you happen to have the collection, or whatever collection you use, if you have coordinating cardstock, that would be fabulous for your photo mats. So here's the back on there, and that's open so you can add a photo. Now the pages are in with elastic. I'll show you the spine in a little bit. So there's another pocket with a little some of the elements from the collection. There's chipboard element. That goes like that. Room to put your photo here. Love some of these cut-aparts that have sayings on them. It really was pretty fun to work with. Sort of a steampunk under the sea motif. The colors were fun to work with as well. Again, this is open, so you could put a photo under here or journaling. I just layered a sticker with chipboard element. There are some stickers left, which I may include here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. I have other projects going on, so I'm not sure when I'll get back to finishing the scraps. You know, I don't like to put something back in my stash after I've stored it, so I'll get to it pretty soon. And in the back pocket, there is another one of these cut-aparts. And we're back here so you can see that gorgeous image. And again, that closes like that. There is the side, and there is the back. And then here you can see the elastic. I'll do it this way. But here we are. You can see where the elastic is. I did use eyelets to put the elastic in, so they're on top and bottom. So that is it. I just wanted to show you real quick this Voyage of the Sea 9x6 mini album. It will be listed in my Etsy shop. There also will be a tutorial. Just stay tuned. It will be coming up soon. But that is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.